Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So let's get started. So if you want to change your Instagram story from close friends to everyone, what you can do is just first of all open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, now what you can do is just simply tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after tapping on your profile icon, tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. Then tap on close friends which is on the bottom third option. So after tapping on close friends, here you can find your close friends, and whenever you try to send a story in your Instagram account, only your close friends will receive your story but not everyone. So to change that, what you can do is just tap on done and then tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. So after tapping on that plus icon, now what you can do is just select the story option which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After selecting a story, now what you can do is just add a story. So what I'll do is I'll select a photo for my story, and after doing that, now what you will do is just choose your story option instead of choosing close friends. So if it's on close friends, which you can find in the bottom of your screen, what you can do is just tap on your story, and after tapping on your story you have to just post your story, and after doing that everyone will receive your story but not only your close friends. So that's it guys, this is how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.